Hello everyone, here is a quick tutorial on how to stream on Facebook Live using OBS. First, you would need to download OBS, which is an obsproject.com. Also, you can choose on what OS you are using. After installing OBS, open it up, and the next thing to do is get your Facebook Live stream key. For that, you would go to Facebook and press Live. There, it will take you to your stream setup. And below, you can find the stream key. Simply copy it, save it for later, and go back to OBS. Now you have to choose the source, either game capture or display capture. For this tutorial, I will be using my display. Now go to settings and select stream. There you can choose the streaming service. Now pick Facebook Live. Now paste the stream key that we copied earlier and click apply. Now that's done, click on start streaming and go back to your stream setup on Facebook. You will see a preview of the live here below. This means that it was a success. Now you can add a title and a description in here. Now all you have to do now is press go live. Now you are live on Facebook. I hope this video was of help and happy streaming on Facebook Live. Thanks.